Hello and welcome to How to Automotive. In this video, I'm going to show you some of my techniques that I use to break nuts and bolts and fasteners loose without hurting your hands or using the least amount of actual energy to break those fasteners loose. So stay tuned for that. So the goal of this video is to make life easier for you guys. So one of the tips I got for you is choosing the side of the vehicle you want to work on. So right now I'm putting a motor mount in. So you can either do it from the side or the front of the vehicle here. And I recommend that you experiment which is more comfortable, which way would give you the best leverage to get nuts, bolts, fasteners loose or retighten and torque them. So choose the side that's best for what you're doing. So in this clip here, I'm going to show you how to get to those tough to reach nuts and bolts and fasteners by going different angles with your body. So right here, I'm using a special tool to hold a pulley still while I use a wrench to crack the bolts free. So when I was facing directly at it and trying to push the wrench to the right, counterclockwise, with just my shoulder and my forearm, I could not break the fastener loose. So what I did was I got at an angle like this, and now at this angle, I'm able to pull the wrench towards me, or you can flip around on the opposite side and you can push the wrench to break the fastener loose. So in this demonstration here, I'm showing you trying to use my shoulder to loosen the fastener, and it's one of the weaker muscles. So if you get that angle, you can either push with your forearms or you can pull with your arm and your back, and using your back muscles to pull the wrenches and fasteners loose. So it's also a good idea to keep in mind, if this bolt was to snap free, where would my hand end up? So you want to keep that in mind when you're pushing or pulling, that you don't pull into something, because a lot of the bolts will just snap loose and quickly loosen up, and if your hands are in the wrong position, you can smash your hands or fingers. So if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe. I'm Brian Nesser from How to Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching, encourage you to subscribe, invite you to head over to the howtoautomotive.com website for more valuable videos like this. Thank you again for watching.